earthquakes in Kentucky. There were 6 earthquakes in the past 7 days, 12 earthquakes in the past month, and 203 earthquakes in the past year. Why do earthquakes occur? Earthquakes are usually caused when rock underground breaks along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake. When 2 blocks of rock or 2 plates are rubbing against each other, they stick a little. When the rocks break, the earthquake occurs. The plates consist of an outer layer of the earth, the lithosphere, which is cool enough to behave as a more or less rigid shell. Occasionally, the hot atmosphere of the earth finds a weak place in the lithosphere to rise buoyantly as a plum or hot spot. How are earthquakes measured using a Richter scale? A seismometer detects the vibrations caused by an earthquake. It plots these vibrations on a seismograph. The strength or magnitude of an earthquake is measured using the Richter scale. The Richter scale is numbered 0 to 10. The Mercalli scale is a seismic scale used to measure the intensity of an earthquake. The measurement is based on the observations and experiences, and it is currently measured on a scale of 12 degrees of intensity, indicated by Roman numerals 1 through 11. Types of seismic waves. Earthquakes generate 3 types of seismic waves: primary waves, secondary waves, and surface waves, which arrive at seismic recording stations one after another. Both primary and secondary waves penetrate the interior of the earth, while surface waves do not. Due to this, primary and secondary waves are known as the body waves. Before, during, and after an earthquake. What to do before an earthquake. Make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Learn first aid. Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Make up a plan to meet your family after an earthquake. What to do during an earthquake. Stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outdoors, stay outside. If you're indoors, stand against a wall near the center of the building. Stand in a doorway or crawl under heavy furniture. If you're outdoors, stay in the open away from power lines or anything that might fall. Stay away from buildings. Stuff might fall off the building or the building might fall on you. If you're in a car, stay inside the car until the earthquake stops. What to do after an earthquake. Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Check water, gas, and electric lines for damage. If any are damaged, shut off the valves. Check for the smell of gas. If you smell it, open all the windows and doors. Leave immediately and report it to the authorities.